What's up, guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be walking you through how to use shark bite fittings and how to properly install them. So the first thing you want to do when you're installing these so that they don't leak is to make sure your pipe is free of any burrs. You could do that by inserting a wire brush and then just doing a quick test with your finger. Make sure there's nothing jagged, no burrs, and then also cleaning off the first 1.5 inch of pipe. Make sure that's nice and smooth. There's no stickers or dirt or grime on there. The reason for that is inside here there's an O-ring, and if this has any burrs, then when this pushes in all the way, it could damage that seal, and that's when you'll start to get leaks. The other way you could get leaks is if you don't insert this deep enough. So the way to avoid that is you could either buy the tool that SharkBite makes called the SharkBite Safe Seal, and that's pretty much just a plastic piece that has all different depths that you just stick in and then mark. Or there's also a chart online that tells you the depth for each diameter of pipe. So this is 1/2 inch copper, and for 1/2 inch copper, this SharkBite should sit in about 7/8 of an inch, a little bit less than an inch. So we'll just take our tape measure and actually mark out. I like to mark out a little bit over, so I'll mark 1 inch if it's supposed to sit at 7/8, and then if it's sitting just below that line, I'll know it's seated all the way in. So the cool thing with these is to install them, you just literally press in, and you could see that that mark is right after the SharkBite, so you know that it's seated properly. It's in there all the way. Our pipe doesn't have any burrs in it, so you know the O-ring didn't get damaged. And then whatever you're going to join to this, whether it be copper, or what's awesome with these is you could join PEX to them. So you can put 1/2 inch PEX. This is a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch T. So you would have to put 1/2 inch PEX in, and you would do the same thing. You would mark it. I already have it marked at 1 inch right there. Mark it, push it in, make sure it's seated properly, and then you have 1/2 inch copper going to 1/2 inch PEX, which comes in handy if you're looking to update the plumbing in your house. You can just come out of your copper connection and start replumbing with PEX. Makes it a lot easier. And now I'll show you how to take this off, which you'll need another tool for. This is just a little SharkBite fitting that goes over your pipe. It goes over PEX and copper. And you just clip it on. And you can either, different people use them different ways. There's really, some people say you put that end with the lettering towards the fitting. I like to do the other end like that. And then all you're going to do is just push down on this. You're going to pull towards you and then pull this copper pipe out while you're twisting, and you can see it comes right out. And then you'll do the same with the poly or with the PEX. Just push in and then pull out. The only thing with that is you don't want to be installing pipe and pulling it out like numerous times, because every time you push it in, you're putting a little bit of stress on that O-ring in there. So you pretty much just want to do one and done. Even though you can remove it, you can probably get away with removing it a couple times, but you don't want to be doing it multiple times and, you know, damaging that O-ring unnecessarily. And other than that, that's about it, guys. SharkBite fitting. They come in all different sizes and configurations. You could go 3/4 inch down to 1/2 inch, or you could go, they make them I think up to like 2 inches in diameter, or maybe even more. So it's a great tool, great fitting. If you have any questions on it, you could comment below. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful. Have a good day.